Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brenda Joseph. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this barrel bolt. I fixed here last time a drawer lock, but maybe it was a counterfeit, and we need security here where we keep our property. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fix this barrel bolt. After fixing it, then we shall put just a padlock, because it is a hostel with very many people. When you keep their things, you find when some of them have been misplaced or have been taken away by people which you don't know. So the drawer lock was weak. Just within a short time, it was not working. So now I've decided to fix this barrel bolt, which is strong, and I'm going to look for a strong padlock. So after bolting it, you just put your lock, and you know that each and everything is safe. So what you do, you first fix one end. After fixing one end or screwing, then you go to the second side, and I screw it when the bolt is inside already. So after that, then you come down and you fix the nose also. Sometimes you can just case, but it's better to use a tri-square to give you a straight line where you are fixing or screwing the screws. But if you are senior, you have some experience, you just go direct and screw without using the tri-square to give you a straight line. So where I am now, I've already fixed it, my barrel bolt, and the next part, I'm going to fix the nose where the padlock goes. So we just stick around and learn something. So this is the nose I was talking of. So after that, then the work will be complete. If you are my first subscriber, or if it is your first time on this channel, friends, subscribe so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload or when I go live. And don't forget to comment down there so that I can know which type of the work I'm doing. Thirdly, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can suggest this video to other people to watch them. and I will be growing our channel. And without you members, there's nothing I can do on this channel. So this part is now finished. And the remaining thing is to just put the padlock. I have fixed the two. Now I'm fixing the last one, the third one. So if you fix only the two, it can't work. But if it is on the door with the jump, you can only use two. Then you drill the other side, and you finish. But with this one, you have to put the third one. But on a door, you just put two. Those two are enough. But here, the third one acts as the hole on the jump of the frame. Yes, that is how we do it. It is now fine. It is working. No more worries again. Thank you very much for supporting Gold. Thank you very much for watching from the beginning up to the end. Yes. So when you are doing like this, make sure that there's a small tower bolt inside. On one shutter. You fix that one, this one here. And you bolt it first. Then you bolt the other one, which is outside. You can put two, but even one can work. So that when someone pulled, that one will hold it, and it will remain firm in one place. It can't come out. So thank you very much for watching. God bless you. I wish you good health and wealth. I think we meet on the next upload. So that is the complete work. I think you can see. Now the thing is secure. No more worries again. Goodbye.